shit. Oh, shit. I'm probably gonna get off soon. Been streaming like over 10 hours today. My pillow is calling me. That was a mistake. LOL. Welp. Guess that guy's gone now. There's one in the basement under us. Oh, she's dying. Okay, never mind. GG. I'm gonna go watch Genside. Then there was one. Is this a duo? This guy seemed pretty good. He's going to the front gate with the 2 pumps. He's got his knife ready. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay. He's just standing there with his knife up at the gate. Okay, what are we doing here, bro? Nice. GG. Nice, dude. GG.
Nobody do a job right but me around here. I tell you what. Don't you be giving me the side eye, woman. This is my house. I'm in charge around here.
The miles. put the trap on the inside. That's pretty bad. Can I help you? Mr. Snail. By the way, you should put your trap on the outside, but maybe it's a little late for that. Watcha, watcha. Nice audio, by the way. Gotcha. Watcha, watcha. Oh, oh. See what happens when you don't listen, dude. Better watch out for this cook, Virginia. This cook is going crazy, bro. There you go, Grandpa. Alright, where'd this fart lady go? One's upstairs. Sunny on me, on the fuse. I think he's bleeding out. Is he killing him? Yeah, he is. Just trying to, anyways. Alright, nice. Alright, we just got Fart Lady left. Oh, sounds like she's dying. GG. Stop. You're moving.
GG's.
GG. Yeah, run to the generator. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Just keep running that way. Okay. What is Sunny doing? What's that Leatherface at? There's 3 of them over here. What the hell? Freaking rats, dude. Nice, he killed the Sunny. Come on, Leatherface. Come on, broski. Broski. Damn, I smacked the shit out of them. You gotta be hurting real bad. I feed Grandpa real quick. Damn, dude. They took a beating, bro. Shoo. Okay, one's in the basement. 2 of them are in the basement. One of them grabbed Fuse. I don't know where Fuse is. Up top? Oh, nice. You got him in the basement. Okay. Maybe this Leatherface is... Alright. Leatherface is doing pretty good. Usually Leatherfaces don't come up too quick and then they just lose us the game, but... looks like I see Leatherface not doing too bad. Victim bled out. GG. Play it, you know what I mean? Obviously Victim's gonna be better, but like as far as playing experience, but yeah, I usually don't run with a 3-stack. Like, I think it's pretty rare. I can't even remember the last time I actually had a 3-stack now that I think about it. But yeah, 3-stacking is gonna get you into games like almost immediately. Because even if a victim player DCs, like, oh, even if a victim player DCs, they just get a new victim player into the lobby in like 5 to say like 10 seconds basically. So it's really easy. Okay, Virginia's dead. That's really nice. I love that. No more fart lady. Nice, dude. I really love that, actually. I don't even care that... I mean, even if they could have, like, 5 victims on their team, if we could just kill Fart Lady, that would be just good either way. Okay, I think they're coming up the ladder? No, it's not turning red, so they're not coming up it. This game should be easier for us too, because I don't have TTV in my name anymore, so people won't like immediately stream snipe me every single time they get into a lobby against me. So should be a little easier at least. Okay, someone's in the basement still. I hear him. I hear him. Yeah, they're probably gonna come up that ladder and try to push this door. That's what I do when I play Connie on this map. That's the best way to do it. You just ability this lock. It's like the only, I feel like it's like the only way. Okay, Leland's over here too. Okay. Oh my god, I hit him too, Jesus. Wait, me and Leatherface hit him there, how the hell? Wait, the game actually had good contact there. That's rare. Damn. Oh. Oh, I hit her twice. Nice, bro. That's really good. Oh my god, I hit her 4 times? Is she gonna die? Oh yeah, she's dead. She's healing. Oh, nice, bro. Nice. Okay, who's left? Oh, Connie. Did she ult my lock, by the way? She might have ult. Oh yeah, she did. She's going out the back. Watcha! Watcha! Wait, this Leatherface is kind of cracked. What the hell? Wait. Wait, who the hell is this Leatherface? Jesus. George?